Well, as you can see, the snowstorm definitely kicked in now. But it's lucky because I just had decided to for a spot for my tent, so I'm still on the ridge here, but I really triple checked. There is no risk for avalanche. There are some rocks that have been there for quite a while over here, so it looks like a very stable spot. And down there I have some see that parts of the glacier is already starting here, so I have some water there, so I will have an Operation Fresh Water in a moment when the weather clears up. The good news is that I'm in a fantastic spot here in terms of view. I'm surrounded by top, high 6,000 to almost 7,000 meters peaks, and tomorrow morning when the weather clears up, hopefully it's going to be a fantastic view. This is where I came from, on the ridge. Over there, and you see a little bit of the valley down there. So it's good. The good news is that it's not windy, and it's not really cold either. And it's really good that it's snowing, because if it was raining, I would be soaking wet by now, and inside the tent too. But see, the tent is holding pretty strong. Let me take you inside to see how I set up myself. So, hey, pretty cozy, right? Look at that. I dig myself a little bit of a hole in the snow, and I put my my thermarest here for isolation, which is good. I have my sleeping bag cover, sleeping bag, my backpack, some water supply. Still have about a liter or so that's okay. Even if I have to spend the night, I should be alright. That's good, fantastic. No, seriously, this is like really okay. I put some good edges on the side of the tent so that it's really isolated and the snow doesn't get in. And yeah, fantastic. Look forward to spend some time over here, and hope the weather clears up pretty soon. Yeah, for now it's still pouring snow, but it should be alright.